This is a story about more than just technology. This is a story about us, about where we're going and how we're getting there, about the challenges we face and the solutions we create, about dreams, ambitions, and the relentless drive to explore and innovate. This is a story that began a long time ago, one that continues today and will echo far into the future. In the silence of tomorrow's cities, a new force awakens, invisible, yet everywhere. A force reshaping industries, economies, and even life itself. This is the age of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of everything. The year is 2045. Let's start at the beginning. Where does this incredible future begin? In the hum of activity that surrounds some of the world's most advanced industries. Visuals, factories with robots working alongside humans, sleek high-tech offices. Narrator. It is here that the marriage of man and machine is transforming the very definition of labor. In these hives of industry, repetitive tasks once considered the domain of man are now executed with precision and speed by intelligent machines. This symbiotic relationship isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting them. Together, they form a powerful alliance driving innovation and efficiency. But it's not just in the factories. Visuals, modern hospital operating rooms with holographic displays. Narrator. Within the four walls of hospitals, AI isn't just a guest. It's an integral part of the healthcare team. Surgeons guided by robotic precision, delivering minimally invasive procedures with enhanced accuracy. Diagnoses are faster, treatments are tailored, and the boundaries of medical science are pushed further than ever before. And then there are the classrooms of tomorrow. Visuals, students interacting with virtual applications projected in front of them. Narrator. Here, the roles are reversed. Students teach machines, and machines teach students. Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool for education, it's a catalyst for a new era of learning. It is a playground where young minds interact with intelligent interfaces, sparking creativity and critical thinking. But how does it all work? What's happening behind the scenes of this seemingly magical transformation? Let's take a closer look. How does AI work? We talked about vast oceans of data. Where does it come from, and what does it mean? Well, imagine a massive network of interconnected nodes. Each connection, each interaction, each piece of data contributes to a complex web of information. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is about teaching machines to learn from this web, to adapt and evolve based on the patterns and insights it reveals. Visuals, large data centers humming with activity, rows upon rows of processors silently working, data streams flowing like digital rivers, layers of neural networks unfolding like intricate puzzles. Narrator. It is in these data centers that the magic happens. Rows upon rows of processors work tirelessly, crunching numbers, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. At the heart of it all, artificial intelligence resides not in a physical form, but as a set of algorithms, a language of ones and zeros that machines can understand. It is a digital brain, constantly evolving, adapting, and learning from the vast sea of data that flows through it. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. At first, there's a lot of falling down and figuring out, but with each attempt, the child learns and adapts, fine-tuning their movements until they can ride with ease. Similarly, AI systems learn from the data they're fed. They identify patterns, solve problems, and improve their performance over time. Visuals, an AI robot performing a task, receiving feedback in real time, adjusting its actions accordingly, mastering the task through repetition and feedback. Narrator. These systems aren't just programmed to perform a single task. They're designed to learn, to observe, and to adapt. Like a student in a classroom, they ask questions, receive feedback, and adjust their approach until they master the task at hand. This continuous feedback loop enables them to not just execute tasks, but to excel at them, often surpassing human capabilities in speed and precision. And finally, we get to the fun part, creation. Visuals, AI systems generating art, music, or writing stories, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Narrator. The true marvel of AI lies in its ability to create. By analyzing vast amounts of data, it can generate new ideas, products, and experiences that were previously unimaginable. Just as a writer weaves words into a captivating story, AI creates solutions to complex problems, crafting innovative answers from the wealth of information it has absorbed. So you may be wondering, if AI is so powerful, how is it being used to transform everyday life? Let's find out. Transforming everyday life. Imagine waking up in a smart home where every appliance anticipates your needs. Your day begins with a personalized breakfast, not because you programmed it, but because AI knows your preferences. It has learned from your habits, optimizing your environment to make your life more comfortable. Visuals, a smart home where appliances are voice-controlled, personalized diets are prepared automatically, and energy usage is optimized. Narrator, it's not just about convenience. It's about a lifestyle. Your home becomes a responsive partner, adjusting its environment to suit your needs. Whether it's the temperature, lighting, or even the playlist, your home adapts, making every moment more comfortable and enjoyable. Now let's move to the farmlands. Visuals. Farmers using drones equipped with sensors to monitor crops, instantly analyze soil conditions, and implement precise irrigation techniques. Narrator. Farming is no longer a gamble. It's a science. Farmers are now equipped with AI-driven tools that monitor every aspect of their crops, providing insights that were previously hidden. It's about making every drop of water, every ounce of fertilizer count, ensuring that the world's food supply is nurtured sustainably. And what about traffic? Visuals, self-driving cars navigating busy city streets, public transportation systems optimized in real time to reduce congestion and travel time. Narrator, in the not-too-distant future, our roads will be smarter, safer, and more efficient. Self-driving cars will navigate the roads, reducing accidents and optimizing routes. Public transportation will be tailored to real-time demand, making travel smoother and more convenient. As we continue to weave through the tapestry of everyday life, it becomes clear that AI isn't just a part of our future, it's an integral thread in the fabric of our lives. It's in the healthcare tools that improve our well-being, the educational platforms that personalize our learning, the entertainment systems that cater to our tastes, and even in the connectivity that keeps us informed and engaged. It's everywhere, and it's changing everything. The global race. Now, let's shift our focus to the global stage. The rise of AI has sparked a race among nations, each striving to harness its potential and lead the pack. It's not just about who gets there first, but about who utilizes it best. Visuals. World map highlighting countries investing in AI research and development. Bustling laboratories filled with scientists working on cutting-edge AI projects. Global summits where world leaders discuss AI strategies. Narrator. It's a global chessboard where every move matters. Countries invest heavily in AI research, pouring resources into understanding and harnessing its potential within their borders. Brilliant minds work tirelessly in state-of-the-art facilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a race for the future. A race where the finish line keeps shifting, always moving forward into the unknown. But what drives this relentless pursuit? What are the stakes in this global game? Visuals. Companies unveiling groundbreaking AI-powered products. Academic institutions awarding prestigious AI-related grants. Thriving AI hubs where innovation knows no bounds. Narrator. The rewards are substantial. From economic growth to scientific advancement, nations that master AI stand to gain immensely. Their companies become frontrunners, their universities attract the brightest minds, and their economies hum with the energy of innovation. The allure of leadership in this new frontier is too strong to resist. But it's not just about the destination. It's about the journey, the alliances forged, the collaborations born out of necessity, and shared goals. Visuals, scientists from different countries collaborating on AI projects, joint ventures and partnerships, cultural exchanges fostering mutual understanding. Narrator, in this global race, cooperation is key. Scientists transcend borders, sharing knowledge and resources to tackle the most complex challenges. Joint ventures become the norm, and partnerships blossom into thriving ecosystems of innovation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the unifying power of a common goal, the future ahead. As we stand on the precipice of what lies ahead, the future beckons with both excitement and uncertainty. The path forward is illuminated by the potential of AI, but also shadowed by the challenges it presents. Visuals, humanoid robots working alongside humans in various settings, space agencies exploring new frontiers with AI-powered spacecraft, doctors using AI-assisted tools for complex surgeries. Narrator, the future is a canvas painted with the colors of possibility. Humanoid robots become part of our everyday lives, assisting in tasks ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Space agencies venture further, faster with AI-powered spacecraft charting the unknown realms of our universe. Doctors wield AI-assisted tools, enhancing their expertise and precision in life-saving procedures. But it's not all smooth sailing. Visuals, people debating about the role of AI in society, ethical considerations regarding AI, news articles discussing the impact of AI on the job market. Narrator, the road ahead is not without its bumps. Ethical questions arise, challenging us to consider the impact of AI on our values and decision-making. Debates rage, shaping the narrative around AI's role in society. It's a tightrope walk, balancing progress with responsibility, innovation with ethics. As we navigate this uncharted territory, one thing becomes clear. The future is ours to shape. Visuals, diverse group of people from different backgrounds working together on an AI project. Hands reaching out to touch a glowing network connection. A bird's eye view of the Earth illuminated by the glow of AI networks. Narrator, it's a future that demands our attention, our care, and our collaboration. It's a call to action for every one of us to ensure that AI, with all its potential, serves humanity's greater good. It's a promise, a challenge, and an opportunity, all rolled into one. Are you ready? So what do you think about the future? Let me know in the comments below. This is more than just a story. It's our story. It's the story of progress, of innovation, of humanity's relentless drive to explore and innovate. This is the story of artificial intelligence.